It's really important to clean your hot tank every 6 months to keep on top of any pesky scale that builds up inside your hot tank. We provide an easy-to-use DIY kit to do this. Please make sure you read all the safety guidance on the bottle and wear gloves when handling the cleaning solution. Turn the heating switch located at the back of the BIBO to the off position. With the heating switch off, dispense 2 litres of hot water until the temperature of the water from the dispense nozzles is cool. Turn the blue shut-off valve to the off position. Dispense a small amount of water from the hot side. This releases the pressure in the BIBO, making the filter much easier to remove. Remove the lid from the top of the BIBO. Using your filter spanner, locate and remove your filter cartridge. Fit the D-scale cartridge into your BIBO and twist clockwise into place. Turn your shut-off valve back on. Using the hex key provided, insert it firmly into the small cap on top of the D-scale cartridge and carefully unscrew the cap. Carefully snip the tip of the cap off the cleaning solution bottle and pour the entire contents into the D-scale cartridge. Replace the small screw cap, being careful not to over-tighten it in place. Place a suitable container under the BIBO. It should be at least 1 litre in size. Dispense at least 1 litre of water from the hot tap and discard. Dispense a little more and test it using the provided test strip. When it turns red, it means the hot tank is full of the cleaning solution. Now leave the cleaning solution in your BIBO for at least 8 hours. You can't use your BIBO during this time, so it might be easier to leave the solution in overnight instead of during the day. Dispense at least 3 litres of water from the hot side and discard. Dispense a little more and test using the provided test strip. The strip should remain blue. If it still turns red, then dispense a little more and test again. Turn the blue shut-off valve to the off position. Dispense a small amount of water from the hot side. Twist the cartridge anti-clockwise and remove from the BIBO. Refit your maxi filter or a brand new one if your BIBO is telling you to also replace your filter. Turn your shut-off valve back on. Turn your heating switch back on and let your BIBO heat back up. Remember, your D-scale cartridge is reusable, so make sure you empty it out and keep it in a safe place, ready for next time. It's now time to reset your countdown timer. Press the white menu key once. Press the red cup 5 times to scroll through the menu. Press the white menu key twice to enter your filter change setting. Reset the countdown timer by pressing the white menu key to confirm and save. It should now say 180 days remaining, and you can continue enjoying the benefits of drinking pure, filtered water.